Hello there, this is just a short mini episode. I've been sitting on this footage for a good few weeks now, and I did have plans of shoehorning it onto the end of another video I've got in the pipeline, but I think that video is too long to really put anything else on the end of it. And I think, you know, what I've got here, I felt it deserved its own little spot. It's only a quick clip I took on my phone, so I didn't have like my GoPro or my other camera on me. So I just quickly took this on the phone because I was on the terraces, and with about 15 minutes left, the heavens really opened on us. The rain was really coming down. You know, the ball was actually starting to stop when the players were trying to pass it round. I think in the UK, you know, the refs would have stopped the game until the rain had stopped. But over here, no, just play on. So the match is Port versus Lampang, and we joined the game with Port 2-0 up with a few minutes left, and the fans were in quite a boisterous mood. So here we go. Okay, so yes, that's the end of the video already. The reason the video sort of ended quite abruptly there was I was filming, and there was a guy standing not far from me, and he had this massive flag on the end of like a 4 to 5 foot pole, and as he's just waving the thing about, it took out a few people standing near us, and I almost lost my balance because I had the phone in one hand and umbrella in the other hand. So I just quickly pressed stop and checked everything was okay, because I didn't want the phone to come out from under the umbrella while it was still raining. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with a longer one very soon. Thank you.